Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be reading Antimonium Crudum, common name sulfide of antimony, symbol SBS3. Constitution for children and young people inclined to grow fat for extremes of life. Old people with morning diarrhea suddenly become constipated or alternate diarrhea and constipation. Pulse hard and rapid. Mental generals. Child is fretful, peevish, cannot bear to be touched or looked at, sulky, does not wish to speak or be spoken to, angry at every little attention, great sadness with weeping, loathing life, anxious lachrymose mood, the slightest thing affects her, abject despair, suicide by drowning, irresistible desire to talk in rhymes or repeat verses, sentimental mood in the moonlight, especially aesthetic love, bad effects of disappointment, affection. Physical generals sensitive to cold, aggravated after taking cold, longing for acids and pickles, cannot bear the heat of sun, worse from overexertion in the sun, aggravated from overheating near the fire, exhausted in warm weather, ailments from sunburn. When symptoms reappear, they change locality or go from one side of the body to the other. Aversion to cold bathing. Child cries when washed or bathed with cold water. Cold bathing causes violent headache, causes suppressed menses, colds from swimming or falling into the water. Headache. After river bathing, from taking cold, alcoholic drinks, deranged digestion, acids, fat, fruit, suppressed eruption. Throat. Mucus in large quantities from posterior nares by hawking. Gastrointestinal system. Gastric complaints from overeating, stomach weak, digestion easily disturbed, a thick milky white coating on the tongue. A thick milky white coating on the tongue, which is the red stand of the remedy. Very subject to canker sores in the mouth. Gastric and intestinal affections from bread and pastry, acids, especially vinegar, sour or bad wine, after cold bathing, overheating, hot weather, constant discharge of flatus up and down for years, belching, tasting of ingesta, mucus from anus, ichorus oozing, yellow staining, mucus piles, respiratory system, loss of voice from becoming overheated, whooping cough, aggravated by being overheated in the sun or in a warm room, from cold washing, extremities, large horny corns on soles of feet, very sensitive when walking, especially on stone pavements, nostrils and labial commissures sore, cracked and crusty, skin, disposition to abnormal growths of the skin, fingernails do not grow rapidly, crushed nails grow in splits like warts with horny spots. Modalities: aggravation after eating, cold baths, acids or sour wine after heat of the sun or fire, extremes of cold or heat. Amelioration in the open air during rest after a warm bath. Relations: complementary squilla similar to Bryonia ipecac, Lycopodium pulsatilla in gastric complaints, follows well after Antimonium Crudum, pulsatilla, myrrh, mercury and sulfur. Thank you.